A for apple. Apple means shape. Red, green, apple. B for bus. Bus means driving. Bus, pink, green, black bus. C for cat. Cat means Billy. D for dog. Dog means Kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means F for frog. G for graph. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for line. M for monkey. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen.